Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we've come to Stewart's Park in Middlesbrough because there's a festival going on today. So we thought to ourselves, you know what, let's go down, let's take a look at what they have on today and what's happening in the park. So I thought to myself, you know what, I'm going to bring you guys along with me as well. So let's go inside and let's take a look. So guys, this is the main car park here guys, to park your car. There's plenty of parking here, and yeah, so guys, this is the main road here, and just the park is just behind these trees here. It's very busy today. The weather is outstanding today. It's nice and bright, and it's a bit warm as well. So you got your Stewart's Park and your Captain Cook Birth Museum here as well. So what we're going to do now is we'll just cross the road, and then we'll go inside. This is the entrance here guys, this way. Right then guys, so we've just made it inside. Here we are guys, it's very busy today and the festival's just happening inside there. So let's go inside, gates A. Right then guys, so we've just entered and you can see here, we've got an elephant here. Let's see what it says. It says, how do we eat an elephant? How do we eat an elephant? So here guys, you've got plenty of stalls going on here today, and you've got lots of kids activities as well. This is a festival scheduling time here. Look at this. This is you've got all your timings here as well, and you've got a little map here to show where you need to be. Fantastic. So we'll show you some bit of stalls here. So yeah, it's very busy. But let's have a look at this side. We've got some activities here. Got the dog there. And yeah, we've got plenty of activities here. Got a little activity here. Look at this. Oh, you got face paintings here. We got like a slide here. Look at that. So I believe you have to go around and then you climb up the stairs and you slide down from there. Yeah, it's absolutely amazing. It's a very busy day today. Everyone's having a fantastic time, and we got so guys, this side you can see all the toilet facilities here. So there's all the toilets there.
Anything about Teeside.
So this is for the skating and the cycling as well, so you can do a bit of activity here as well. If you've got a skating board or you've got a bicycle, so that would be good fun as well. Right then guys, so we've spotted the stage, so we're just waiting for some artists to come on stage, and this will be great fun. Obviously I know once the singers come, this whole side will be busy. But as you got all the food court here, everything related with food. If you want food or drink, this is the side here which you have to come to get your food. And if you look at that side, there's kids bouncy castles there as well. So yes, there's lots of variety of food choices here as well. We'll take a look what it's like. I got a rock climbing there as well. That looks good. Rock climbing. So this is all the festival here. It's not a big festival, I mean it is a short one, but it's worth coming down with your family and friends. This is the exit here, so once you've done exploring, you just make your way this side to exit, and then you explore the park as well. Right, once you exit here guys, so you exit from here, and then here you got the kids play area here, so this is good fun for the kids as well, to enjoy themselves and play here in this area. This is all the kids play area, this. Guys, we can spot a hen here, look at this. They just sat behind there. I don't know if anyone can see, just behind them bushes. Look at that, they all sat there. So this is like a hen little place where all the hens stay here. Information here about these hens. Wow. Really nice. Good. Check this out, guys. We got a rooster here. Wow. A rooster just taking a nap, I believe. And there's a hen just there. Look at that. Having a little walk. Cool. So this is the side where you can see roosters here and the hens. So here, guys, we just having a little walk and we spotted a Henry's Cafe. So, wow. Just came out from the college, just right behind me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to show you the Captain Cook Museum. There's a sign there. It's saying it goes that side. So let's take you all to the museum. You're just walking underneath the trees, and as you get underneath these trees, you can feel the coldness. But when you're out the other side, on that side, you can feel it's a bit warm. It looks like we found the museum. So first of all, we've got a history here. The lost village of East Martin, Cook's birthplace village, and the lost medieval lane. Right, wow. Right, let's take a look. I believe it's this building here. Let's take a look. Right then, guys, so first of all, you can see there's a cycle there with a gentleman. How cool is that? How they made that? Right, here we are, guys. So we've just arrived to the Captain Cook Earth Museum. Here, so look at these, you've got your soldiers there. How cool are they looking? Look at these. So we just need there's a Captain Cook Earth Museum. Apparently it looks like it's closed. But we'll see what's under this little thing. What's behind here? Standing underneath, I don't know what to call, but I'm going to call it the old gateway. So look at this. It looks really nice. It's like very old, this. You can have a little walk through in here as well. You're good. Here's a closer look at these soldiers. So here's the information, guys, of the Remembering the Courage of 1944. So here's all the information here, and you got a bit more information this side as well. So here's all your soldiers, and then you got some planes there as well. Wow, it's fantastic. The view there of the park. That's beautiful. Right, guys, we're going to take you where you can see that little, you can see a lake just there. So let's go down there. I'll show you guys all this. Right, let's take the steps down. Wow, such a beautiful view. Let's make some bit more steps down. It's getting a bit windy now. You got all the open space here, guys. Right then, guys, so we just arrived just near the lake here, so let's show you this. We've got the lake here, we've got some ducks in there, and we also got seagulls as well. They're all having a good time. And we've got some benches here as well, so you can take a seat there and you can see the ducks in the lake as well. You can see the festival happening just there as well. Look at these guys, there's baby ducks as well. They look nice, don't they? Little ones. Doing now is we're just going to head towards the car now, and we've had a good time today in Stewart's Park, and that was it. That was Stewart's Park, and yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that as well. If you are interested, coming to this Teeside Festival just behind me. If you missed it today, don't worry, it's going to be happening tomorrow again. So tomorrow is the last day of this festival. So yeah, please do come if you are interested. festival is happening in Stewart's Park, Middlesbrough. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one. Have a lovely day.